Hi there. I thought I'd do a simple video about closing an application in Linux Ubuntu. I came across this problem the other day when Eclipse closed on me and it was still running in the background for some reason, I think. But anyways, I was able to find the process ID and get rid of it. So today I'm going to go through this case in case for my example application will be Eclipse. I'm going to open a terminal session and the command I'm going to use is ps-ef. I think you can do H like this, not ps. You can Google it. Obviously, I'm not the expert you want to be watching, so maybe I should put a disclaimer. You shouldn't be watching this video if you want to learn from an expert. So if you do ps-ef, it'll give you a list of all the processes. And so we can do a ps-ef pipe grep and then name of the word that we're looking for. In this case, I want Eclipse. Now, when I do that, one bad thing is it shows all the stuff on here, and it can be a lot. You can scroll up. You can see this is where it started. In some cases, it can be really long. If you want to see it as page after page, you can do another pipe and type more, and you'll see it does page by page, and you just have to press space to go to the next page. But at the very top, it lists all the sessions of Eclipse. The first number over here is your actual process ID, and the second number is your parent ID. So to get an idea of this, it has Eclipse in a few processes. Now, on the very right again, it kind of tells you what the command is that's running it. Brep args39 or Eclipse. It doesn't look like this thing over here is the Eclipse process that you need to kill, and also the last one, color equals auto Eclipse. It looks like it's probably something of the fashion of these three things that we need to get rid of. So you can go about it and you can kill each process if you want to, as long as you're the owner. In the case, I'm Alex Dude, so I am the owner. Again, when you look at this, let me go back up again. This is the process ID over here. And this is the parent ID. So if you look, 4172 goes above to over here. 4172 goes from 40 to 4162, and supposedly 4162 is the parent. So in theory, if I delete the highest parent, it should get rid of Eclipse eventually. So let's go do that. What was it? Again, I wanted to kill 4162, and the command is kill-9. Gosh, I forgot the number already. 4162. 4162. And it didn't kill it. So I'll again do ps-ef grep Eclipse. So the next one I can do is 4172, which I'm going to try right now. And that eventually killed it. I'm going to go ahead and open Eclipse again so we can try to kill it again to close the application through kill-9. That's why to me it was a little confusing, because there's all these different processes, and if I go back to the ps-ef grep Eclipse, name of the application you need, pipe more, it's confusing because there's multiple instances of Eclipse. There's also a command called PIDOF, and you name the application Eclipse. In this case, it gives me 4545, and you can see 4545 over here. So again, it's a little confusing. Not super straightforward. So you could have multiple processes for the application, and then you can try killing one after another. And so that was the confusing thing for me. Originally, I just tried using PIDOF and Eclipse. I tried doing a kill of that process from PIDOF. And you can see right now, 9. You'll see that it doesn't kill it. And if I scroll back up, if I go to 4545, the parent is actually 4544. So now if I actually killed the parent of that process, it kills the application. So anyways, just made this video because it was a little confusing closing an application using the kill command, trying to find the process using ps space dash ef, because there's multiple processes. And so hopefully this kind of helps. I doubt it will. I doubt it'll help, but for me it helps because it helps me reinforce the fact that I may have to look for different processes, even with the name that's found on the far right might say Eclipse or the application I'm looking for. So over and out.